On our previous tutorial, we created our PHP API database with posts table. So let's go and create some files in our root directory. Switch to Visual Studio Code. I'm going to create first file, that is index.php. Simply this will be a PHP tag. Just echo out here page loaded, and if I go and reload this page, page loaded is displayed on our browser. Next, quickly I am going to create some folders here. First one will be classes, and next one will be API, and next one will be API. And here I am going to create one file, that is posts.php, and the second one will be in the classes directory, that is database.php. So this way we are providing a structure to a project. If I currently go to the browser and refresh the page, we are just seeing in the URL that we are not getting index.php. If I manually type index.php, see, this index.php is loaded. So by default, PHP loads the index.php script in the root directory. If I go ahead and write something else instead of index.php like hello.php, it shows us an error. The requested URL hello.php was not found on this server. So in order to deal with this, I don't want to put this index.php in every URL or every root of the project. So in order to deal with that, I'm going to create our new file, that is .htaccess, and I'm going to quickly grab some snippets which I already created for my another project. So basically, if I have any 404 request, that means the page is not found. So this htaccess file is going to redirect the user to this index.php page. So now if I go ahead and give this a try, then we are going to see it automatically redirected the user into our index.php file. So I will mention this code in the description, where you can simply grab and copy and paste it in your htaccess file. So this is the end of our tutorial. In our next video tutorial, we are going to make a database connection using PDO object in our database class. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest upcoming video tutorials.